Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to unbox and review Mi 20,000 mAh power bank. Here you can see this is the box pack of the power bank. On the front side, the power bank picture is shown. Here the model number is written and here it is shown that it is made in India. And at the both left and right side there is nothing much mentioned. Only Mi logo has been shown. On the back side, some quick specification and datas are written, such as it can charge your Mi A1 4.3 times, iPhone 7 times, iPad mini 4 2.5 times once the power bank is fully charged. This power bank supports two-way quick charge. That means you can charge your smartphone as well as power bank with quick charge technology. Inside the power bank you get a lithium polymer battery. The body of power bank is anti-slip and scratch resistant. The previous version of this power bank, that is Mi 10,000 mAh power bank, did not have scratch resistant body. To see the review of that product, you can check our description section. Here again the model number has been shown. The input port is micro USB type and the output port is USB-A type. Here the capacity of the power bank and input-output power rating has been mentioned. The price is shown 1999 Indian rupees, but you can get it way cheaper than this if you follow the link in the description section. Lastly, the Mi authenticity sticker is here. You can check it and check whether it is original or not on their web page. So now let's open the box. Firstly, you will get the power bank itself. The body is totally made up of hard plastic. On the top, USB ports are given. We'll get back to the power bank after a while. Let's see what else we get inside the box. The user manual, the charging cable. Here you can see the length of the cable you will get. It is a flat type of cable. On one side you get micro USB port and on other side you get USB-A type of port. And the cable is white in color. So that's all you get inside the box. Let's get back to the power bank. On the front side, Mi branding is done. On the bottom side, some specifications are mentioned, which is already there on the box pack. On the top side, you get the port and the indicating lights, and on this side you get the power button. As here you can see the light indicator, which shows how much battery is left. This light is white in color. The body has been designed in such a way which gives you a better grip and better hold of it. Let's now check out its weight. As here you can see, its weight is around 360 grams. If I compare this with the previous version, then there is no major improvements are given. Only the power bank is little bit slimmer than the previous one. So that's all in this video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and in the description section you can get the link to buy it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video.